Hi everyone, and welcome to your 5-minute morning meditation together. I'm here to share with you a small amount of time where we can dive in a little bit deeper, clear our minds, and feel successful for the day ahead. I invite you to sit up tall against a wall so your back is comfortable. Maybe put a block, a pillow, or a blanket underneath your bottom to act as a bolster to elevate your hips. Or you can join me just seated cross-legged in Sukhasana if that's more comfortable. Close your eyes. Lift your heart forward. I want you to place your right hand on your heart, your left hand on your belly, and really breathe into your right hand that's on your heart. And then feel the breath exhale from the hand that's on the belly. Let's do that again together. Breathe into your right hand that's on your heart. Breathe out through your exhale with your hand on your belly. Breathe into both hands. Breathe out of both hands. Release your hands to your lap. Cultivate a normal breathing pattern. In yoga, our breath, which is our pranayama, our breath energy, teaches us our form of movement, teaches us to slow down. But for this period of time, it's teaching us to clear our minds, to cultivate a day ahead that's going to bring us joy, enlightenment, success, love, and opportunities. So while we sit together and while your lips are sealed, your job is to inhale and then exhale. And then inhale. And we exhale. And we continue breathing without a pause in our breath to enjoy what's happening within our bodies. Our resting heart rate is slowing. Our mind is settled. We feel open for the day ahead. We are a clean slate. We know that we are powerful. We know that we listen and are motivated and strong. We breathe. Inhale. We breathe out. Exhale. We continue breathing. We continue holding this asana, this seated pose with our breath that maintains strict posture through the shoulders, chest, core, and sit bones, teaching us the ability to be strong in one space for a lengthy period of time. Continue the breath, and then exhale. I want you to take a really big inhale through your nose. Open your mouth wide, big sigh. Do that twice more. Last time. Big sigh together. And then return to your normal breathing pattern. And out. Let your right ear fall to your right shoulder. Let your chin sweep through the chest. Exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Bring your chin back to your chest. Bring your head to an upright position. Exhale with your eyes closed. Left ear, left shoulder now. Chin sweeps through center. Exhale, right ear, right shoulder. Bring the chin back to center. Bring your head to an upright position. Inhale, right hand to heart, left hand to belly. Breathe in with me. Wake up. Breathe out with me. You are alive. Bring your hands to heart center. Exhale as we bow forward. Namaste. Have a beautiful, successful day ahead. And thank you for starting your morning with me in meditation.